Hello everyone and welcome. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, ready to guide you through another insightful episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. This is your go-to series for everything you need to know about maintenance and reliability. In this episode, we'll be talking ultrasound technology, its various applications, and the future of training in our industry. We'll hear some amazing success stories that highlight the power of preventive maintenance. So, if you're part of a maintenance team, or you're just interested in the world of maintenance and reliability, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Today, we're joined by Maureen Gribble, the Director of Marketing at UpKeep's, who has been revolutionizing the maintenance and reliability field since 2006. Maureen shares her journey into the maintenance and reliability industry, which started quite by accident when she joined the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. Her passion for the industry led her to UpKeep's, where she enjoys the freedom to innovate and learn from both successes and failures. UpKeep's, specializing solely in ultrasound technology, has been a leader in the field for over 4 decades. Maureen explains that ultrasound equipment is used in a variety of applications, from leak detection to electrical inspections and rotating equipment monitoring. She emphasizes the importance of using multiple condition monitoring technologies together to get a comprehensive understanding of equipment health. However, Maureen also points out that ultrasound might not be suitable for every situation. The technology thrives in environments where there is strong support for continuous improvement and a clear plan for using and maintaining the equipment. Without these, even the best technologies can end up underutilized. Success stories from UpKeep's customers highlight significant cost savings and improved operational efficiency, particularly through leak detection and preventive maintenance. These stories are not just about saving money, but also about empowering maintenance teams to tackle bigger challenges and improve other aspects of their operations. Looking to the future, Maureen is excited about the potential of augmented reality and virtual reality in training. These technologies can provide immersive, hands-on training experiences without the risks associated with physical equipment. Maureen's advice for anyone in the industry is to focus on making incremental improvements and to ensure that any new technology implementation has a clear purpose and support from all levels of the organization. For those looking to connect with Maureen, she's active on LinkedIn and Twitter and always eager to discuss innovative ideas in maintenance and reliability. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the world of ultrasound technology, its various applications, and the future of training in our industry. We also heard some amazing success stories that highlight the power of preventive maintenance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful episodes. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay innovative and keep maintaining.